Hey, welcome back everyone. We just got the stream fixed. It was not working properly. Anyways, hope everyone can hear us. Trying to get this done. There we go. Stream looks a little not the best quality. We're doing the best we can. Alright. We're gonna leave off where it left off last time when we had to cut it. We have the Phantom Gaming ASRock Z790 Riptide Wi-Fi. This motherboard has Wi-Fi 7 PCI Gen 5 support and M.2 PCI Gen 5 support. So that's pretty cool. So we already opened up this case. It's a Xiaomi T7 mid-tower. We already put our fans in right here. They're RGB. We got RGB up top right here. And then we got one on the back. Now, got a bunch of cable management to happen once we get everything in. We got a 990 Pro 1 terabyte PCI 4.0 NVMe SSD M.2 Intel Core I7-14700K overclockable. All right, we got 64 gigs of DDR5 at 6400 megahertz. This motherboard can go to 8000, so we may be able to overclock it just a little bit. And then we got our power supply, 1000 watts. This is actually on sale in Newegg for 134 bucks. 1000 watts, you can't beat that. And it's 80 gold plus. That's pretty good. Then we got this right here is the dual tower CPU cooler AG620BK by D-Cool. Gotta keep that i7 nice and cold, or nice and cool anyways. Then we got our 2080 Ti right here. It's it was 125 bucks. We only gave it 1080p anyways here. The 144 hertz refresh rate. Gonna be more than enough for us. Alright, what do you want to do next? This? Alright, so we need to get the motherboard out. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna move the tower right here. Get this out. Alright. And that packaging looks really good. A lot of foam, everything. That's the menu. Alright. Well, it comes with SATA cable, manual, pretty good. This is looks like RGB header cable, Wi-Fi antenna, that Wi-Fi 7. That's pretty cool. And not exactly sure what this one is. Figure that out. I'm not sure. On that, that's okay. Alright, we'll go that up there. Alright, now we need to get this out. We're gonna put this off to the side. We'll keep our manual just in case we need some references. Look at that board. That was nice. Huh? Yep. Alright, we'll have to get something to cut that real quick. You got it? Got scissors? Mm-hmm. Alright. Very nice foam. Very nice motherboard. Thank you. If you have questions, just put them in the comment, and we'll try to answer them. We can see if you comment on here. Just keep looking up the comments right there, so we can. Right? I don't see any right now. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Go. Let's go right now. All right, what do you think we should do next? No, I think we should leave it going on there for right now, because we're gonna build on it and then install it. All right. I'm gonna take it. I just want to make you think about it. We're gonna install our memory. This is where like all our files and everything go in, right? So, yep, this is a 990 Pro Samsung. It reads up to 7450 megabytes. It was on sale for $80. So. All right, there it is. So it's gonna go right here under this heat sink right here, right? You see it? So we're gonna have to take this off. How does it say it comes off? Oh, it just goes off. Yep. Okay. So we need to get this out. So what you're gonna do is hold it on the side, like that's okay. So it's gonna go right into this slot here. Okay, can you do that? Let me pull this out first. Not sure how this one comes out. Oh, you're good. Okay. So if this goes on this side, now you're doing it. Just like that. Right, so now you just gotta just like that. So we're gonna see how it went down in there like this. Then we locked it in place. Just like that. I don't know if y'all can see this. So we just locked it in place with this little piece here. Then we're gonna put this heat sink on it. This heat sink has a thermal pad on it. So we're gonna go ahead and that. All right, so now and it's installed. There you go. Now our memory or our hard drive, SSD, the main drive is installed. Now what do you think we should do? Alright, we should install the CPU. Alright, that's this thing right here. Open it. I don't want you to break the butts. Here's some scissors. Don't want to break. Okay. Alright, there you go. Be careful that don't hold that far. You know, get it out of there. All right, we're gonna bring this up a little bit. Huh? Because there's pins. We don't want to damage. We don't want to damage this. This is expensive. This is $400. So here we go. We're gonna bring that up. Huh? Yeah, it's okay. All right. So this is where it goes right here. See that? So you hold on. You push this down and it comes out like this. Okay? So I'm gonna let you do it. All right. You're gonna push down and pull up. There you go. All right. So then this opens up like that. And there's pins right in there. Okay. So now we install this right here. Okay. See that? All that is going to go right on there. Okay. So there's alignment little pins right here to line these up. Does that make sense? See the whole divots right there? There's 4. That's going right in here. All right. Now, what do you think we should do? Put this on. All right. So I'm going to take that off now. We'll save that for later. This just pushes it down. And it's done. It's installed. Is that cool? Yep, Snubs. Just put it in there for later. Alright, so what do you think we should do next? So I think we should wait because our cooler's pretty big. We gotta make sure there's no clearance problems. So what we're gonna do now, I think, is install the power supply in there, and then the motherboard, then everything else. How does that sound? Alright. Alright, so we're opening this up right now. Get it. We're gonna push this off to the side right now. Then we got this behemoth of a power supply. We gotta open that up too. Watch out. Watch out. There we go. Alright. You have the manual, put it right there. Alright, so we got a bunch of accessories. Cool. A lot of cables. This is a fully modular cable setup. So we'll put those right there right now. Yeah, that's a decent amount of cables. And then this is some good packaging too. That's really nice.
Stinks.
It stinks.
Yeah.
Probably.
Not just blob.
Put it back in there. I want to get rid of it. Alright, so we got our 1000-watt GT 80 plus gold. Max output on the 3.3 volts, 25 amps, 130 watt combined, 12 volt, 1000 watts. Nice. Alright, so now we're going to install it. Hold that real quick, right there. And we're going to turn this to put these right here. And then should be going in right here. So once you step around right here, Alright, so Ainsley, this has to face outward so the plug comes in right here. Does that make sense? So this has to face out, right? Does that make sense? Alright, come on. I want you to do it right here. Over here. You gotta put it in and it's gotta go back that way. Wish you get 4 screws. There we go. You didn't get it in all the way. Gotta go all the way in. Uh-oh, it may not fit. Let's take a look. If it doesn't fit, we're gonna have to get a new case. Oh, it fits. You just didn't get in there all the way. There you go. You good? Now, we want to flip it upside down. See how the fan? Look. The fan has to face down. You see this vent right here? That needs to face down. Okay? And then install. There we go. Now it makes sense, right? Okay. Alright, here's the screws. And I'll get you a screwdriver. Let me see one of the screws real quick. Oh, there's one. Make sure this fits. Yep. I'll do one, you do the others, right? How's that sound? There's one. Let me see. Yeah. All right. Do you need some help? Oh, you got it. Good job. Let me know if you need help. What do you mean? Oh, okay. That one. Watch out. Let me see. That won't go in there. You gotta put it right here. And then we just put this offset one right here. Look in, when you put it in, you put it in like this, not to the side. See how it locks in? And then you can even take it like this. Does that make sense? You good? Did you get it in? Here, like this. Look. Watch. Here, like this. All you gotta do is go like this. See? I didn't even have to touch it. Isn't that cool? All right, we got our power supply in. It is nice and tight. Now, what do you think we should do? Put the motherboard in the case. What do you think about that? All right. Let's move that. We're gonna lay this down. We'll put all these cords in here for now. Then we're gonna lay it down so we can build in it. Just like that. And then I'm gonna move this. There we go. Alright, so bottom of the case, top of the case, we gotta put this in. So now we need some screws that came with it. Did we come with any screws? It probably came with screws on here from the actual manufacturer of the case. I didn't see any in here. All right. Yep. Just cable man. So. Okay. Watch. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a minimum of 9 holes per screw.
There's like, I don't really know.
A lot. That is jumped a lot. We'll put them in a. Here. So we'll put them all in here. That's so we don't lose them, right?
Small ones, big ones.
Yep. All right, what's your? Alright, so now, watch out. This is coming in. Alright, we're getting it in there. It is a tight fit. I don't think it's gonna fit what we got right now. Oh boy. Alright. New plan. Gotta take out this fan real quick. If it doesn't fit in here, we'll be buying a new case. All right. Now, don't put them in the same pile. Someone messaged me. I'll just put them in here. All right, let's see if we can get this in here. Huh? No. Huh? Yeah, put it. I gotta take this other fan back out. We had to take the top fan out here because this is hitting it right here, so we had to take out this one top fan to make room, and then we'll probably be able to install it afterwards. Which is okay, we'll be alright. There we go. Here, take this for that. Okay. There we go. We'll put those right here. Alright. Now let's see if it fits in here. Is this a pretty big? There it goes.
Still have what, 5? Or no, 4 things.
Yep. All right. Now that it's in there, now we got to screw it down. No. Let's make sure everything lines up first. These screws are here. Yep. I don't know if these will fit in them. Yep. Okay.
Not the.
Oh no. Just dropped it in there. There it is. Huh? Yeah. Okay, let's just use this then. Check that one. Yep, if that doesn't work, then we'll get another one. Too loose. That one. That one's too small too. Oh, perfect. Okay. Unaware, right? Huh? Oh, these are different sizes, different screws. But look for these ones.
4 different types.
Mm-hmm. 9 at least.
They're different sizes of screws.
These. All right, before we get too further, I want to test fit the GPU to make sure it fits in here.
How much screws do you need?
Yeah, like 9. I just want to test fit this to make sure it fits. Got bigness to this. All right, so let's double check to make sure this fits. Okay. Oh yeah, just enough clearance. Cool. That's that 2080 Ti. Very nice looking. Okay. Got screws. Thank you. Yeah, take this off too. But yeah, it's okay. Take that off. It's magnetic, so it's sorry. I don't see any comments. That's okay. Got one watching. Good. Yeah. Yep. Always better than 0. Okay. So it's like a little warped right here. So in this C, I may need a. There we go. I think we'll get that now. Had to be moved a bit. What's going on, everyone? I see a couple people in there. Tell me in the chat. Tell me what you think about this. We're almost got the motherboard in.
Tell me what you think about me being on.
All right. Now we got one more to do. Right in here. Okay. Looks lined up. Need a screw. Oh, no. We're good. I just got to put one right here, but it's really tight. I need one more. Thank you. All right, we got one more screw going in. Oh, I dropped the screw. That again. All right. So now that we got that in, let's try the CPU cover. So we need the thermal paste. Actually, let's do the ramp first, and then the CPU cooler. It's over there. It's a package right over there. We've got. No. Hold on. We've got Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5, 64 gigabytes at 6400 megahertz. Alright. I'm gonna do one, and then you're gonna do one. Okay? Don't hold it like that. Don't touch the goldish part. Alright. So for you, we put it in the second and fourth slot. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We put it in the second and fourth slot for dual channel. It's in dual channel instead of single channel. So what you're gonna look for, you see that notch? It has to be lined up with that. So I'm gonna put mine in first. It should go in with this facing that way, but we're gonna double check. So it looks like the other one. All right, so now once you have it, right? Watch. You're gonna watch this right here, and it's gonna click in. Boom, done. You can do the same thing for that one, but you gotta make sure it gets in there. Got it in? All right, are you sure? All right, just check it. All right, not in all the way. Look, you didn't see your 2 clicks. Push it on both sides at the same time. Hold on, let go now. And then, you hear it now? Did you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. All right, now let's get the CPU plug, get the white box. All right, let's get this opened up. Hold that. There's stuff in there for us. All right, see how big this is? So this goes right here. All right, I don't know if we're gonna have enough room. Huh? The accessories. I way to take that out to get the cardboard out, and as you can see right here, it's got the 2 mounting things right here. We got to put on some other brackets here in just a second. We're gonna double check this to see if this is even gonna fit. If we do it like that, it'll fit. I wonder if that's possible. As it's, you see it's hitting the ram. If we put the fan, we do this, look. Like that, it's hitting. But it should, we could put it like that so it exhausts out like that. But I wonder if it's gonna be enough. But the problem, it's not gonna fit. This case is too small. I'll have to buy a new case. So, this, hold on. Alright, so what we're gonna do is buy a new case. This cooler will not fit with this closed. So we're gonna go back to the drawing board. I thought I had measured it and it worked. It was gonna work, but apparently not. So until next time, I'm John, and this is Ainsley, and we will see you when we get a new case.